You want to see where Dalton's sick dance moves got him? Dropped it a little too hot, didn't you there, bub?
Actually, I kind of heard it right when I did the kick first.
Get up off of that thing!
Well, Dalton, you're not as young as you used to be, okay? You gotta warm up before you start pulling shit like that.
And take the loop, feel better. Get up off
Dalton, I will tell you one thing. You got a hell of a dance face.
of that thing. Try to release
That pressure. Get up, Bob.
Good God!
Dalton, I did not know you could drop it down that low.
Yeah, well, neither did my knee.
Well, hurry up and ice that knee because you're dropping it like it's hot for me tonight.